Welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to turn on notification sounds for your private chats in Telegram. If you've ever missed an important message because your notifications were silent, this easy setup will make sure you never miss out again. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. This is where all the adjustments take place. So once you're in the app, you're just a few steps away from customizing your alerts. Next, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. This will open the main menu. From here, scroll down and select the option labeled Settings. The Settings area is where all your customization options live, including notifications, privacy, appearance, and more. Now, within Settings, look for Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it to enter the full menu of alert options. This is where Telegram allows you to decide exactly how you want notifications to appear and sound for different types of chats, including private messages, groups, and channels. For this guide, we'll focus on private chats. Under Notifications and Sounds, select Private Chats. You'll see a set of switches and preferences. The most important thing here is to make sure that the sound option is turned on. If it's off, you won't hear a thing when a new private message comes in. Once sound is enabled, you can also pick the alert tone you'd like. Telegram gives you a list of options to choose from, so go through them and pick whichever feels best for you. Whether you like a subtle ping or a louder alert, the choice is yours. Personalizing this step ensures that you'll instantly recognize your notification when it comes through. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've now turned on and customized your private chat notification sounds in Telegram. From now on, you'll be notified right away whenever someone sends you a message, and with a tone that fits your style.